What's up, dudes? My name's Simon, and today we're gonna make a chat. We're gonna make a video about intercepting videos. So let's go. I want to get with the latest updates from Twister on Wheels. Make sure to subscribe and ring that bell. Or dub, but I don't have any choice, bro. Use the TIV1 so we can get accurate spawnings. What's the rest today? Low. That's unfortunate. Okay, I'll see you later when the storm forms. Okay, guys, we have a Twister on the radar, so let's intercept it. It's right over there. It's an EF3 tornado, I think. Yeah, let's go. By the way, I server hop. That's why there's a tornado now. Let's go. Also, this is the first time I revealed my voice to other people, so yeah. We're here. Are we getting ready to deploy? Wait. It's shifting, bro. Oh my god, bro, the lag. Wait. Let's stop here. No. Wait, go. This is not a proper intercept. Deploy. I think nasa middle ako here. I am in the middle. Exit. Put the probe into the probe. Oh my god, guys. Direct intercept. I'm flying, I am flying, bro. I am flying, What's this? It's an EF4 tornado. Very strong, very. Get ready to undeploy. Wait, this is bro. TIV1. Spawn. Yo. Yeah, the mezzanine is not working. Too late, bro. Wait. Do I need to deploy? No. I do not need to deploy. Let's get our probe. Where's our probe? Let's intercept it once again. See you later. It's out. Bruh. Why did I get lofted, bro? Why did I? Okay, we're back on the road again. Where is it going? Let's go. The wind field is so freaking strong. How is this an EF4 only, bro? I am approaching the tornado's path. Direct hit. Okay. Deploy. Hazard. Yeah. Start to go. The probes down. Deploying. Let's go. Let's see this monster. We're getting a direct hit. We are getting a direct hit. Let's go. Let's see. 130, 140, 150, 151, 57, 150. Oh, wait, we can. 173, 173, 173, 173, 167, 67. No, no, I'm sliding, I'm sliding, I'm sliding. I'm lofted. I am lofted. Yes, I am lofted, bro. I am lofted. I am lofted. I am like the tightest movie thingy. I can't move on, baby, down. Wait on cross with your stations. How is the mess negative this? Petrol stations. Yo, I'm still getting lofted. Where am I? Bro, where am I? I'm getting lofted in the air. I can't move on, baby, down. Where are calls, petrol station? I'm out, and it's outrageous. I take it all, baby, down. That was a very, very, very strong tornado. Okay, what rating is it? Oh, it's gone. That was a very, 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 very. Okay, guys, let's wait for the next tornado to spawn.